Okay, so I wanted to do a quick update on this. Obviously, this is going to be the GoPro VOLTA, and this is something that came out recently in the last few months, and something that everybody was waiting for, everybody was excited about. And I'm going to tell you, I like it. I've been using it for quite a while so far, and I do enjoy it very much. So like I say, I got this a while ago, pretty much when it came out, and I'm going to tell you, so far, I've been pretty fan of this. So I'm just going to give you a quick look, give you some updates into this, because you know what? I've been using it a lot, and there's some things that I like, and there's a couple things that I don't like that I'm going to talk about that as well. But essentially, you have it right here. If you're not aware, this is a power bank, right? So not only a power bank, but also a little tripod as well. And it kind of says like this. I'm going to show you some B-rolls and all that. But again, this thing right here is going to be a battery. And I'll tell you what, when I go recording, at least for what I do, it lasts me all day, right? It says, some people say it's about 3 times more the battery. So if you have a GoPro on this, you're probably going to have 3 more, like having 3 more batteries, or maybe 2.5 or something like that. In my case, I have used it a lot, and it really hasn't given me any issues. I've been able to record all day with this with no issues. Obviously, it's a little grip, as you can see it right here. I'm holding it, and I am going to put the GoPro for you to see it. I'm pimping the GoPro Hero 9, and then again, this one has been working pretty well. But obviously, it does come with the little door right here, and as you can see right there, that's where it's going to plug in, right? So let's put it in the right direction. I love having this little thumb screw right here because it's just really easy to put on. And as I put it right here, obviously, I'm going to grab this, and obviously, I'm going to put it in there. And it's going to sit right here just like this, fine. But again, with the GoPro like this, looks good. With the media mod, it's going to be installed like back here, so it looks a little bit different, right? But again, that's kind of what you have. And again, it's going to be charging the GoPro, right? So a couple things that you could do here. Actually, you could actually move this like this, as you can see. Obviously, I'm moving. Just be careful, because as you move, obviously, the cable is going to get wrapped up right there, right? But I put it in the right direction, and obviously it's going to connect via Bluetooth. So obviously I just turn it on, and obviously, as you can see right here, you're going to have a couple different controllers. You're going to have your recording. You're going to have different modes that you can set up. You can also press here with the battery, and it's kind of going to let you know how much battery it has right there, right? So again, if I want to record, obviously place the recording, and now you can see is recording as I'm doing this video, right? But obviously, this is actually connect via Bluetooth. So again, the camera doesn't even have to be connected. You could do it via Bluetooth, or you could do it through the cable, right? And you can kind of come up here, right? So again, now I stop the recording, obviously. And again, you could do a lot of different things. Like I say, if I press the mode here, you can see how I'm switching to some of the modes as well. But I do like this, and I'm going to tell you, I have been enjoying it a lot. You have your little lanyard right here, and it has been pretty decent. Now, if I open this side right here, I'm going to show you that you have a USB-C, and again, you know, you could charge this device obviously as well. And if I press a button right here, as you can see, this thing is going to shoot out, and in here you can attach something else, right? To bring it down, you have to press a button and then bring it down. But I'm going to give you a look from this side. As you can see, it's a pretty decent setup right here. So I could just get it like this and record myself, or I can record something as you know, I'm walking. I'm going to show you a video here that I just recorded here, and it's very simple, very sturdy, very easy to use, really nice, right? The only thing that I wish it would have had is probably eventually GoPro is going to do this, because you know they make changes every year. But obviously it would be nice if you can extend this, or like that you have a little bit more rich. You don't have to be right in your face. You can kind of push it out a little bit more, right? So some kind of extension right here where you could just like open it up like this will be nice, right? And that's probably going to be coming up soon. Eventually it will come up. I just got a feeling about that. But again, really nice. I've been pretty excited about this. I've been pretty happy with it, and I think it's a great setup when you go out there to record. Like, I could charge this, and again, my camera will be charging, so I don't really have to worry about it at all. I could spend the whole day recording, and it's just fun.